Good afternoon to all. Okay, now let us go to step number 2. To calculate number of stages and number of shafts in the gearbox assembly. Write the number of outputs in multiple of 2 and 3 only. Okay, now what does it mean? Question में let us say दिया है I want, again I will take the same example. I want my speed to vary from 100 to 1000 in 6 steps. Okay, now what I have to find out is what is the number of shafts required. So what is the first step to carry out that is write the number of outputs in multiple of 2 and 3. So tell me how many output are required. कितने step में
Six.
उसका output चाहिए? 6 step में चाहिए. So this number 6 you have to put in multiple of 2 and 3. So can I not write 6 is equal to 2 into 3? Can I write this?
Yes, sir.
Can I write 6 is equal to 3 into 2?
Yes, sir.
Can I write 6 is equal to 1 into 6?
Yes.
Yes, 2 and 3 दिया है.
See, हाँ, see the step number 1 क्या लिखा है? Write the number of outputs only in multiple of 2 and 3. That's it. Understood?
Got it, sir. Yes.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
was
Now understood.
as you have understood now that if in the question it is asked that I want 6 speeds, so I will write as example 6 is equal to 2 into 3, or I can also write, oh, sorry, I will write it here only, or I can also write it is 3 into 2. Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now let us say in the question it is asked that I want the speeds in the 8 steps. So let us say I want in the 8 steps. So is it not only the possible combination 2 into 2 to 2? इसके अलावा कोई और combination बन सकता है क्या 8 के लिए?
No, sir. No.
No. Okay. Let us say question में दिया है they want outputs in 9 outputs. They want the achievement in 9 outputs. So I have to write 9 in multiples of 3 and 3. So I have only one option 3 into 3. That's it. If I go for 12, again if I want to keep it in 2s and 3s, so I will write 2 into 2 into 3. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this completes the first step, that is writing the outputs in multiple of 2 and 3. Next step, count the number of stages. And how to count it? Count of 2s and 3s. Now just an example, refer the above one. ये 6 है, 6 को हमने कितने पार्ट में डिवाइड किया? 2 और 3 में. तो टोटल स्टेज कितने हो गए?
2.
2 हुए. फर्स्ट स्टेज पे 2 स्पीड मिलेगी, दूसरे स्टेज पे 3 स्पीड मिलेगी. सो फॉर दिस द नंबर ऑफ स्टेजेस आर 2 ओनली. फॉर दिस हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ स्टेजेस आर देयर? जस्ट काउंट 2s and 3s. कितने 2s है? 1 2 3. So that means there will be 3 stages. Here how many stages?
2.
2. Here how many? 3.
3.
So this are the number of stages. So the first one will have 2 stages. Second one, as far as above example is concerned, will have 3 stages. Third one will have 2 stages, and fourth one will also have 3 stages. What does it mean? Let us see by the diagram. What does number of stages mean? So this is my input shaft. And this is my output shaft. इनपुट कहां से मिलेगा? यहाँ पर कहीं तो मोटर लगी है, मोटर से हमारा पहले गियर पे शाफ्ट आ रहा है, मतलब फर्स्ट गियर पे आ गया. नाउ आई वांट, लेट अस से इफ आई कंसीडर द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में क्या है? आई वांट 2 स्टेजेस. तो मैंने 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया. माय स्टेज नंबर 1 इज दिस, स्टेज नंबर 2 इज दिस. सो कैन यू टेल मी बाय जस्ट लुकिंग एट द फिगर हाउ मेनी शाफ्ट्स आर देयर? मैंने ऊपर हिंट भी लिखा हूं, एक इनपुट एक आउटपुट लिख दिया. नंबर ऑफ शाफ्ट?
3.
आंसर इज 3. सी हियर,
1, 2.
ये इनपुट जो है ये इनपुट शाफ्ट नहीं है क्या? गियर मोटर से जब आएगा तो शाफ्ट पे ही गियर माउंटेड है ना तुम्हारे. गियर क्या ऐसी हवा में रखोगे? गियर विल बी माउंटेड ऑन शाफ्ट. मशीन डिजाइन 1, वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड दिस. ओके, सो दिस इज इनपुट शाफ्ट, दिस इज आउटपुट शाफ्ट. So this is shaft number 1, this is shaft number 2, and this is the intermediate shaft. So this is shaft number 3. So what conclusion you can make? That if there are 2 stages, how many shaft will be there?
2 plus 1.
2 plus 1.
1.
That is only written in the part C. That number of shafts will be equal to number of stages plus 1. Now let us discuss on this one. क्या बोला हुआ है? 8 के लिए उसको कितने स्टेज चाहिए? 3 स्टेज चाहिए. तो पहले तो मैं ये डब्बा बना दिया. दिस इज माय गियर बॉक्स. हाँ, डब्बा मत बोलो उसको, गियर बॉक्स है. ओके, हाउ मेनी स्टेजेस आई वांट? 3. तो 1 2 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया. दिस इज माय स्टेज 1, दिस इज माय स्टेज 2, दिस इज माय स्टेज 3. This is my input shaft. This is my output shaft. So how many intermediate shafts are there in between? तो in between
दो
input
है।
and output कितने shaft है?
दो
दो है
दो
ना,
है,
एक ये वाला और एक ये वाला, दो है.
हम्म.
So how many total number of shafts are there now?
4.
4.
four
How many stages were there?
3.
Stage 3.
3. So for 3 stage, how many shafts are there? 4.
4.
So what is the conclusion we can draw here is the number of shafts will be equal to number of stages plus 1. Understood?
yes sir